Ceacht Trocha Trí, 33. In chapter 30, we had classification sentences using is, the copula, and here we now are getting to identification sentences using the copula. Okay, so those are the two kinds of sentences that you use the copula for. So classification is múinteoir é, but when you want to identify a particular teacher, is sé ar múinteoir é. Now, that repetition of the pronoun é, is sé ar múinteoir é, happens only for third-person singular sentences. Okay, so is leabhar é is a book. Is sé mo leabhar é. It is my book. Okay, so the first one being classification, second one being identification, a particular book. And then they give you some examples of using that. And of course, we can use those emphatic pronouns if we want to. Is Misha Seamus, is Misha John, Sean. Those that we've used before for conversation, right? They give you more examples of that. Really practicing with the copula. Is sé Sean Marahar. Now there you're not using, you're equating things. Remember, the copula is like an equal sign. It's equating things. So you're equating two nouns there. Not a pronoun with a noun. When it's a pronoun with a noun, that's when you bring back the third person pronoun in the singular senses. Small point, but it gets a little confusing, so that's why I'm reminding you. Okay. Then we get some family names, family nouns. Ahar, Mahar, Drahar, Drafor, uncle, Antin. And then we have the possessive pronouns, ma and da, we've seen before, but they, before a vowel, will become M apostrophe and D apostrophe. We've had the possessive pronouns a for her, prefixing an H to a vowel. His doesn't change anything. Our, ver, your, plural, their, all put an N dash before a vowel. Okay, and they eclipse if there's a consonant. And then it's practicing. So get copulating.